If you're listening to this and thinking, I want to start a pressure washing business or I need to scale what I've got something for you. Every month we run a free webinar called Wash and Win, where we break down the exact steps to start a pressure washing business the right way. How to scale from solo operator to multiple trucks, a custom market analysis so you know if you're in the right area and if it's profitable, and we'll cover our in-person boot camps where you get hands-on training. This isn't theory, this is the system that helps hundreds of operators build 6- and 7-figure businesses. Here's what you'll do. Go to pressurewashingpastor.com right now and reserve your spot. It's free and you'll walk away with a plan. That's pressurewashingpastor.com and link is in the show notes.
Let's go.